We're eating colonizers' food tonight. We're moving to a different place. You be a good boy. Maru Bubu Bear. Hi guys, welcome back. So I thought I'll show you what my weekend looks like here, living alone in Manila. And actually, 6 PM na ng Saturday. So, wala na ako ginawa the entire day. Kumain lang ako at naghilata sa bed. So, I was resting and I was replying to some of the comments on my TikTok. Thank you so much for liking our baking series. I'll show you.
Let's make another crumble cookie.
So good. Actually, oh my gosh, I forgot to cook cookies for my friend. I was gonna do that, but yes, I'm on my way to have cocktail with my friend Rose, and let me show you my outfit because I feel good. I feel really good. This is my fit. It looks so good, right? Very simple, very me, very Friends. I love Friends inspired outfit, and I just got this pants actually from Levi's. It fits me so well, and this top as well. Bago lang din siya. I am reinventing my wardrobe. That's what I'm talking about, you know what I mean? So I'm just booking a Grab right now and tara na.
Bye-bye! Uy, naku! Uy, mommy's leaving, ha? You be a good boy, ha? You be a good boy. Oy, naku. Look at him. He's so fat. Baby, you look like part of the carpet. Oh, what's that? What's that? Can I have it? I got your po. Oy, naku.
Akala mo talaga yung mga social life talaga yung maarita.
Akala mo yaman namin. Pero lilipat kami. Kasi it's a weekend. It's a girls' night out. Nights out. Nights. Hanggang bukas to be. Uy, saan ba yung Tipsy Pig?
Actually, hindi ata yun pang energy natin. I-check lang namin.
I-check lang namin. Pero pag may
mga energy namin na parang alas 9 na.
Oo.
Ito yung vibe ng bahay.
Para kami may iaalay. Fried baby calamari with garlic. Prito ate.
Napasabang ang language natin.
Bakit colonizer lang? Guys, kami ay nasa Spanish.
Spanish daw?
I figured. Hindi ba?
Paella.
Cerveceria. Cerveceria.
Di ba ba Spanish dapat?
Doon kami magka-picture. Aba, sana din ako pumunta dito, no? Hindi ba Spanish? Tanungin natin.
Ayun, ate. Is this a Spanish ano?
Oh, I told you. We're eating colonizers' food tonight. Something maalat. Di pa din wala mga...
Saan ka tumitingin?
Croquetas. Ano yun? Croqueta. Croqueta yun yung aesthetic.
Yung ribot. Yun lang yung kaya ng utak ko ngayon. Partida, 6 units ng Spanish yan.
Grabe pala ang frozen nila dito. Akala ko naka-big mug. Sorry. Here at some park.
Burgos Circle.
Kami ay magte-TikTok.
Kasi alam mo ba yung mga yan? Minsan sila Dominic Roque yan.
Oo, sina Ding Dong Dantes. Scary.
I miss you.
Good morning, guys. Actually, hindi na morning. Tanghali na, guys. Pero nagising naman ako na maaga. I just edited some videos that I'm gonna upload tonight on my TikTok. So, I'm just doing my skincare. And nais ko lang yung itsura ko kasi I don't know, even though Sunday ngayon, gusto ko umaayos. So, hindi ako sobrang patatas. And right now, I'm actually gonna cook breakfast or brunch for me and my friend, Jad. This is our second time doing this. Nandito na lang kami nagluluto para makatipid. Kasi girl, if nag-eat out kami nun, we can just easily spend 1.5 on breakfast. So, today, I literally have the exact same ingredients that they have in the tapa or breakfast places that we go to. So, yes, let's cook. We made our own baksilog. Sino kayo dyan? Oh, diba? Unlimited cheese pa. So, ito po nagagawa pa, nagtitipid ako. May talent pala ako magluto ng mga baksilog.
Spicy lover. Diba din dito healthy?
Guys, pupuntahan namin yung cat ni Jad. If you guys don't know, neighbors kami ni Jad. So, kaya pwede kami kumain-kain lang dito, magpakapatatas. Guys, ang fresh ko dahil sa skincare.
Dahil sa?
Skincare. Go na. Nagtago na. It's okay. You're not a social cat. It's okay.
Ay, totoo, ganun yun.
Welcome to Jasa Cat. Ano? Casa Jad! Oh my gosh. Let me see that marble here. This is our baby.
Ang OA na pusa.
Si OA. Oh, you smell good. He smells good. Parang inamoy mo yung candle ni Kuya. Ay, ni daddy mo. Inamoy mo kasi, why do you smell like candle?
Ay, may candle siya.
Guys, this is Maro Bobo Bear. Ate ko. Ay, dyan mo talaga nilagay. Hindi nasira ko yung Chanel niya. Ay, hindi ko nasira, ate, oh.
Wala kang okay. Iba't ko sa'yo. Ano?
What are you smelling?
Pero lumaki na siya na kung parang naman siyang dada.
Oo naman, te. Wala, ang cute-cute niya.
He likes to play.
Okay, in-edit yung weekend vlog ko, na-realize ko, hindi ko pala siya natuloy and hindi rin ako nakapag-goodbye. So, pasensya na. Ito na, mag-goodbye na. Monday ng, actually Tuesday na. In-edit ko. But yes, the entire day, hindi ako napag-vlog kasi I was just editing the condo vlog na in-upload ko last week. So, yeah, yun lang naman ginawa ko. Wala namang iba. But yes, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. This is a very simple vlog lang, but you guys like that, diba? Yung mga wala kang masyadong ginagawa, vibe-vibe lang, kasi gusto nyo na sa background lang. Ginawa nyo pa talaga akong background! But yes, that's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!